Hi guys, so my air conditioner was not cooling properly, and it's been quite hot in Florida right now, and it's 2019. Is the first time you're experiencing that hot weather, and I think it's kind of like that throughout. But my AC wasn't really performing the way I expected it to, so I came out here just to inspect and try to measure some level of gas. But here's what I noticed. This is the line, and you can see this is the high pressure, this is low pressure, and you can see this is supposed to have this covering on top because this line gets really cold when your AC is on. And here you can see the whole thing came off and it's all deteriorated. And what's happening is, since it's so hot, this line gets cool, but it starts dissipating all the coolness and start absorbing heat. And for that, the air conditioner keeps working hard, and really the cool doesn't really get inside the way it's supposed to. So all this, all the way up till there, is supposed to be covered and it's supposed to be nice and tight and taped, but I think it's been like that for like 10 years plus. So you can see how deteriorated this one is. So that is my problem right there. Of course I'm going to do some measuring on the gas, but I don't think that would be an issue. So I'm going to go ahead and get rid of this, and luckily I happen to have the new ones, and you can see how the new ones are as compared to the old ones. So you can see thickness and how bad the other one is, and this is going to be much better. So I'm going to go ahead and replace that. And the one I had was all together, so I had to cut it open so I can wrap it around. But the best way to put these on is when you're getting a new air conditioner, is the best thing is to feed it from one side, get it covered up, and leave it like that. But in my case, I can't really do that. I don't want to get into unwelding and just for that purpose, so I just cut it open in the middle, and I'm going to put some tape all around it, and I think that should be enough to secure it. So it's a cheap fix. If you guys do have the coverings like that not in good shape, I would highly recommend you replace that. So okay, so here you can see I put this, and I use duct tape to tape all around it, and I'll probably use some extra just to make sure. And I was a little short, so I kind of stopped right here and then kind of used the good part all the way from here to here. As long as it's covered, you're fine. But maybe later on in future I'm going to go ahead and replace that. But overall, I think it's good. I'm kind of happy. So I'm going to go ahead and run my air conditioner and make sure it's nice and cool, and that should be it. So guys, hopefully it helped some of you guys. If you like the video, please subscribe to my channel and like the video. Thank you.